All right, everybody, we're gonna unbox a new headset today. This is the Corsair Virtuoso RGB Wireless SE. So this is a really cool one. This is even still in the shipping materials. We're gonna unbox this, and then the review will probably come in a few weeks. After this is actually my brother's headset, but he's really close here, so we're gonna have him use it for a few weeks, give me some feedback on it. I'll try to do some tests on it with like the microphone a little bit later, and we'll get a full review of this up. So this will be fun. Taking off the security tabs there. Let's see how oh yeah, here we go. So just slide this off. That's the front. I'm gonna put that to the side. All right, and then it's kind of a two-part box thing that I'm sliding up here. Oh, that looks really nice. I like that presentation right there. So it's got some plastic here protecting the cups. I'm gonna really attempt to stay in frame here. Sorry if I ever move out. So it's got that protecting the cups there. I can already tell this feels this feels nice. So this is kind of a leather type material with memory foam. That feels like metal on the sides there. Oh man, that feels good. That is a good little headset so far, at least presentation wise, you know. Feels hefty too, like it's got heft to it, feels like it's well built. A USB-C port there. Got some sort of head jack port here. Not sure what that is. I think that's for the microphone. So that port there I think is for the microphone. This switches from USB to wireless, it looks like. And then here's the volume roller. It is an infinite roller. Okay, so that's nice too. I really like that. You could just keep rolling it and rolling it. Awesome. All right, so gonna place that to the side for a second. Let's look at what else is in here. It's got a cloth carrying case, the little do not eat silicate package thing. Looks like that'll fit it very easily in there. Okay, so just do, oh, does this fold flat maybe? Yeah, okay. So you fold it flat, put it in the carrying case. Okay, all right. Again, trying to keep everything in frame. Okay, so here's like a box with all the accessories. Let's carefully open that here. So you got this. This is just like the instruction manual, safety information. Here is the microphone. So you plug that into the headset. It is removable. This is the wireless dongle, looks like. Okay. Here is the charging cable. So it is a USB-C to USB type A cable. That's kind of neat, although this looks like it might, no, okay. That does not detach. I was curious if that detached into a USB-C, but no, that's A only. And then this is a standard, I think it's a 3.5 millimeter jack? Whatever the standard headphone jack size is for PCs and laptops. So there you go. And then that is just a spacer there, right there. Okay, so that's the unboxing. Again, next few weeks, I will try to get a review up on this. You know, probably get the microphone up first, and then do a general review of like comfort and things like that. But this is an exciting little headset to try out. I've heard good things about it. And it'll be cool to get a more detailed look at it. Remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video and want some more content. And we also have a Patreon that the link is in the description of the video. Have a great day.